Hello, it's AJ back again with AJ's DIY Projects, and today we are working on this toilet that needs to be replaced. It is leaking, and it could be leaking for a number of reasons, but the customer would like to replace it, so we're going to go ahead and replace it, period. I know you guys are probably saying, what is that brown stuff in that hole in the middle? Well, that's your toilet, y'all. As you can see, I cleaned it up the best I can. That's called a worn out wax ring, which keeps it from leaking, keeps your toilet from leaking. So I'm just replacing it with new screws, and I'm gonna put the new wax ring on. And there is the finished product. Here's your toilet. Flush. Everything looks great. I made sure I caulked the bottom all the way around. Only thing that has to be done is I have to cut this a little bit. It'll be good to go.